Torah. We have Moshe ben Karen.
Hang on a second. Moshe ben Karen. Yeah.
Nachman ben Elinor. And like even if you could see like the ages, they even wrote like how old they are, like 20, 19, 20, 21, 19, like so young, so young. So these are the soldiers that are in the north that are fighting Hezbollah in that area.
Hashem should protect them and guard them and should come back happy,
Just tick off the
healthy.
ones you read me now. And then the rest I'm going to take, see the pencil?
Yes, oh,
Just
perfect.
to tick off on your
Got it.
paper.
So we did Nachman ben Elinor. We did Itamar ben